Hey guys, Rita, welcome to Legendary. After Smash. And today we are gonna make Cretaceous Life Part 2.
Girl, I'm the girl in the broken heart.
Come on!
No time to start talking all this. Guys, can you see this? The entire land has been decayed.
Decaying? Hey yo, what the hell? Hey yo, Ah! Help me guys! Help the Guys, the parasaurolophus is back!
Yeah. Talk, she dropped. Talk.
Oh my vocal cords are damaged.
Oh, I'm getting decayed. It's sucking my life on.
Oh no! Ah! I'm not here! Ah! Come here! Ah! Help us! Velocicar! The world is decaying, you know!
Oh, I'm a zombie.
Shit! He's a zombie, guys! What will you do? Bad zombie. Make a board and cut! Okay. It's good. Hey, I think I've heard this story somewhere before. Remember? Hey, get out! Remember grandfather Mosasaurus told us. Give it, Thursday, do you come over here? Get out, Theresino. Okay. Don't attack us. Remember grandfather Mosasaurus, Mosasaurus is our grandfather, told us that a story that one day the land is about to decay and we will need the emerald of nature.
But there are many traps.
And the land is decaying right now. And Parasaurolophus is.
But there are many traps of Indiana Jones only.
I know. So that's why we need a team of 4 people.
4 people will go once.
Yes.
If they get destroyed, then more 4 people.
Yeah.
And if they get destroyed, more 4 people. Yeah.
Because we have
If they
12
get
dinosaurs.
destroyed, more 4 people.
No,
And
you
if they
need
get
12.
destroyed, then more 4 people.
We only have 12 people.
Hey yo, what the hell?
So we can only send
Hey yo, what
people.
are you doing?
Okay, for the smallest dinosaurs. Smallest dinosaurs, come with us.
You, done. And me.
And
No.
me, wait, me.
Parasaurus and
Baryonyx.
let's go.
Where's the crack to the door? Huh?
Now?
The crack to the door has disappeared. Yeah.
Now?
Oh,
Now?
the feminine. Oh, yes. The timer shows that we have to wait. The timer shows that we have to wait more 5 minutes. So we will have to just stay here. We have to wait for 5 minutes. Ah, guys, did you forget me? I'm the Mosasaurus, you know. Yay! Yay! Let's see. As I've told you that the world is decaying and it is decaying. The Mosasaurus got into a zombie. Velociraptor, don't go there. Watch your head, watch your step.
Why do I keep twisting my head, guys?
Ah, why am I in the water? I've been so much time in the water only. Time to hunt the meal. Yeah, yummy grass. Hey, you what the hell?
Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay,
yummy.
guys, now should we go through the crack?
No, we have to wait more 2 minutes.
Why?
Okay.
Why? Because the crack won't allow us.
The crack is very naughty, guys. Yeah, actually, let's hunt somebody. Yeah.
Now can we go?
No,
Baryonyx
we have to wait 1 more minute.
Come on.
Yeah.
Baryonyx got
Hey, you
annihilated.
what the
Can we
hell?
go?
Not now. You have to wait just 30 minutes. Count in your mind.
30 minutes?
Yeah, I mean 30 seconds.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
This will take so much time,
28,
guys.
29, 30.
Yeah, actually.
Cretaceous got annihilated.
Okay, so now you will go, guys.
Let's go.
Yeah, we are going. Guys, go over there.
Very quick.
Guys, let's go.
What the hell?
Hey guys, fell down.
Should I come with you? Should I come with you guys?
No.
Never.
Yeah. I'm your grandfather, by the way, but still.
No.
But he has injuries. Oh! Arrows are piercing me.
Heal. Jumpy.
You have to jump.
Jumpy.
Ah! I'll stay here. Barry on that side. I'll stay here. Got annihilated.
Zombies.
Oh my god. I'll stay here.
Oh, I'm still alive. I'll stay here fending off them.
Yeah.
No, he stays alive.
Meanwhile, later.
That was Scott. What? That was our imagination.
Get crushed, guys. Close the crack! 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 I'll driven this away for the dinosaur. Goal! You eat. Okay, we are closing the crack. Guys, we got saved! We got saved! Come on! The barren land is increasing! But now with Emerald, the nature has come.
What the hell?
Huh? It's a
Biome, you idiot. Now the barren land is gone.
no, it was the duplicate of the emerald.
What?
Yeah. If we put it then the whole world will die because of it. Get out. Destroy it like legendary Exodus. We do the. Hey, you what the hell?
I'm going to use this as a
Ah.
smasher for the next video.
Next video? How will we know?
We keep it in memory.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's revive the barren lands.
Now, guys. Now what shall we do?
The barren land is only this much. It's grass here.
Yeah, grass.
Oh, it's burning my skin. Look at the frictional.
Hey, you want the thing? Did you forget about T-Rex?
Annihilated.
Yeah.
Today's slogan of the day: annihilated.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we should be looking forward to get the actual emerald. Actual emerald so that we can revive our friends.
Yeah.
Let's get another team of four.
Annihilated. Yeah.
Come on, dude. Let's get another team of four. Me, Spino Blue, and get out. Vastosaurus. Oh my god!
Oh my
I just threw Vastosaurus and he just landed.
Hey! Hey, you! Watch your head! Watch your step! Please use the handrails! And
These four guys.
Okay, I got it. But I will also give you a miscue. One of them is a miscue. That it is on the bed. Okay. Can you do one favor for me? Can you heal Acrossy? No, he can't. Sorry. He has been killed by the traps and he can only be healed by the power of the nature emerald. Okay guys, let's go. Started. Okay, that is slow. On the bed he said that can be also miscue. But this in Dali room that can also be a miscue. One of them can be a miscue. Which is it? Why is the bathroom open? I think it's in the bathroom. Oh! The real emerald! I hope it works. Emerald, guys. So both of them are. I hope it's not a duplicate. No, get me. You can only unlock me if you fight the Doomsday Rex. Doomsday again? Come on. Oh. Okay, guys. Yeah. But you have to come with us. Okay, fine. If you lose, then I annihilate the whole. Guys, if the dinosaurs lose, they will die forever. These guys will need Atrocity, but I can't heal it because. Heal it. How dare you, Emerald? Okay, good news. We found the emerald. Bad news. Come on, cameraman. Okay, good news. We found the emerald. Bad news. You have to fight the rooms. When will Atrocity come to good health again? Only when you fight the rooms. Why are you caring about Atrocity? You should care about. You should care about Baryonyx and Styraco also. No. The viewers are starting to think that you only like the Atrocity raptors and the carnivores who are good at eating. Yeah, the Atrocity, yeah. I mean, we have to care about Baryonyx and Styraco, yeah. Yes, we have to. King. Okay. Get out of my sight. I summon you. Oh shit. Guys, I'm not dumb. Should I tell you? This Spinosaurus is actually dumb. Spinosaurus have 0 IQ. Guys, the Doomsday Rex has been summoned by me. In Doomsday Rex, you can summon your soft toy army. Sorry, this time I have to work for Doomsday. Why? Attack! I will heal you, Styracosaurus. I will heal you, Acrociraptor. And I will heal you, Baryonyx. Now come with me, camera guy. Check this out.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
The emerald. And with my powers, the barren land will now turn into not a poisonous or dangerous, but a normal barren land. Yay!
And I will die.
Oh my god!
That guys was not planned on script.
Yeah, defeated the T-Rex, guys!
Guys, see because you're the T-Rex is here. Hey, you! Guys, I think because the Doomsday Rex is dead, I will die.
Annihilated myself.
Hey, yo, what the hell?
Right now the ocean is land for us. Yay! I don't want to die. You will die.
Hey, what the
Who wants to die?
Guys, the final roar!
Annihilated.
Guys, the final roar! The T-Rex... It's good.
Guys, the T-Rex will say. Annihilated.
Hey, yo, what the hell?
But guys, this emerald might mix with the ring to create some more powerful source. We'll see this in next time. And watch the calf flip video. And watch the calf flip video made on Legendary HNH. Bye.